Can you put bookmarks and save clips from books on Audible? Yes, you can. In fact, I will tell you how, as the title suggests. I guess I don't suggest it. It basically tells you. But anyway, this is super easy to do, and it's super helpful when you're trying to listen to your favorite parts of a book or re-listen to specific parts that stand out whenever you want. By the way, you can do this on your phone or tablet. I am pretty sure as of early 2023, you cannot do it on your computer, but let's get right to it, shall we? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam, and I want to make self-growth normal, because people shouldn't have to look this information up. It should just be mainstream knowledge. If you agree, then please make sure to smash that like button. All right, boom. So here's what you do. You open up the app, you go to the book, which should be at the bottom of the screen, or whatever book is playing. At the bottom right of the screen, you'll see an icon that says plus clip. When you hit this, it will add the part that you're listening to as a bookmark. Now, I know that you may have a bunch of questions from here. How do I get to my bookmarks? What if it's not at a place where I like it? Can I edit it? Can I listen to it? Can I listen while I edit it to make sure that it's at the place where I like it? Can I edit the length? And if so, how? I'll tell you all of this and more. Don't worry about it, guys. I got you covered. What kind of accent was that? It's like 1:30 in the morning. It will say your clip and bookmark has been saved. Under that, you have two options. You can add a note or preview it. Adding a note is if you want to say something specific about it. So if you're looking for it, it's easier to find. When you look at your bookmarks and you're scrolling through them, you will see the notes for each one. But once you're done, hit save and you're good to go. If you hit preview, however, you'll see at the top, you can add a title to help, again, kind of find it when you're looking for it. But below that, you will see the length, and you can adjust that with both sides of the white rectangle around the bookmark. You just gotta tap it and slide. Tap it and slide. Sounds like a dance move or something. And then you'll see the length change. Your clip can be as long as 2 minutes. To listen to it while you are changing the length, at the bottom there's a little play button icon. If you tap that, it'll start playing, and it'll also show you in orange where it's playing in the clip. If these directions did not make sense, you can hit the little I in the circle in the upper right, but once you're done, just hit done. Now let's say you're really trying to study a book for a test or something like that, or maybe a book report or something, and you have a bunch of bookmark clips, and you want to look through them and you want to find a specific one. Go back to the book, and in the upper right hand corner, you will see 3 dots. Tap on those and tap clips and bookmarks. Here, you can look at all of them for the book. For each one, it'll say the date and time it was saved, what chapter it's from. On the right, it'll tell you exactly when in the book it was from and to. If you want to edit the length of it, add a note or delete it, you can do that by tapping on the 3 dots too. Obviously, to the left at the bottom of it, you will see a play button so you can listen to it, and if you hit go to bookmark, it will go directly to the bookmark and just start playing it for you. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Sam, I get that I can do all this customization on editing and the lengths and titles, but how is this list organized, and can I change that? This list by default is organized by how recently you added each bookmark. On the upper left, when you're looking at the bookmarks, there's a little downward arrow with a bunch of little horizontal lines next to it. If you tap on that, you can do it by either date and time added or by chapter. But that is how to use Audible Bookmarks. Please let me know if you guys have any other questions about this in the comments below, or if there are any other questions about an Audible in general that I have not answered in these videos. I made probably somewhere between 10 and 20 videos now about Audible. If you have an incredibly specific question that you simply cannot find the answer to on the internet, give Audible's helpline a call at 1-888-283-5051. If you just got the Audible app and you're kind of wondering just a general glimpse of 30,000 feet, what it looks like, I did a video about how it works this year and everything from start to finish. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere, and I will see you then.